Do you wake up early? Do you like tea?
Welcome to Learn and Talk. Let's learn Arabic and English in a fun and easy way. Learn, speak, and enjoy every day.
I go to bed early. I go to bed early.
Do you sleep well? Do you sleep well? Close the window. Close the window. May you get success. May you get success. What a lovely flower. What a lovely flower. I read a book every night. I read a book every night. Do you study English? Do you study English? Stand up now. Stand up now. May you be healthy. May you be healthy. How sweet the baby is. How sweet the baby is. I love my family. I love my family. Is she your sister? Is she your sister? Listen carefully. Listen carefully. May you win the game. May you win the game. What a big house. What a big house. I drink milk daily. I drink milk daily. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Come here. Come here. May you be safe. May you be safe. How bright the sun is. How bright the sun is.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.